Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video we're gonna have our first tutorial and create a game that we are gonna make out of all of the combined things we learned in my past few videos. So let's start. The first thing we need to do is get rid of this cat. I know it's really sad because we used it for every of our video, but yeah, that's what we have to do. The next thing is to add a new sprite, which is going to be choose a sprite in their library thing, and we need a crab. So here it is right here. Let's choose it and increase the size, decrease the size a little bit. Let's make it 85. Okay, now it's good enough. And the next thing we're gonna do is add a backdrop. So it's gonna be an ocean one, which is right here. Now let's add the remaining sprites we need. Let's choose them. We need a ball. We also need to make 2 of them ourselves, but first we have to work on the balls, on how the ball will look like. We have to make it a different color. I feel like making it a little bit like yellowish pinkish, kind of like that, but not too bright. So something I'm up to something like that. Now let's, I guess it didn't work. We have to pick the color again. Okay, that's good enough. Actually, wait, no. Oh, okay, I get it now. So we need to do it right here. Yeah, so this is kind of what I want my little crab food look like. So yeah, the next thing we're gonna create is a ground. So we need a line, not really a line, we need a rectangular line. That's not right. We need to make a square, and it has to be pretty big, and it has to be like, it has to cover our entire stage, something like that. But we're gonna change the color to a little white, not white, like a sand, like sand looks like. So let's change our color to orange, but not very bright, kind of like that. Yeah, this looks good. Now let's just fill it in. Oh my god, why is it pink? I guess that's good. Yeah. So we have our ground, and now we have to work on our game over sprite. We just get the text thing and type in game over. And I'm gonna make it red, like super bright red. Okay, that's perfect. Now we just need to make it a little bit bigger. So like probably kind of like this big. This is good. I feel like I want to make our ground a little bit more longer because you can see right here that it's not big enough. So let's make it bigger, like that. Okay, now it has to be, what? Let's try again. Now it has to be big enough. So yeah, so all of our sprites are created, and we need to start with our code. we have to go to the crab costume first, to the crab sprite, and start with our code. We're not gonna add a lot of things to our crab, just this. So when the flag clicked, it's, oh wait, never mind, it's when the left key pressed right here. So when the left key pressed, and then another one of these with the right key, and then it's gonna be a change x by -20 and a change x by 20 block. So right here it's gonna be -20, and right here it's gonna be 20. So that way our crab moves. Yeah, it moves. For now we have to hide the game over thing. We are completely done with our crab sprite. Now we have to go on to the next one, which is the ball. This one will have the biggest code in it, and let's start with adding it. So it starts with when the flag clicked, and now we have to create a variable for our score. So let's name it score, and set score to 0. So it will set our score to 0 each time we start a new game. Then our next block is go to random position and our beautiful forever loop. In the forever loop we need multiple different blocks. The first one is going to be change a y by -5. And the next one is going to be an if block. So it's if touching crab then change score by 1. Change score by 1. Play sound pop. So it's this one. Play sound pop. And to go to X, pick random -200 to 200, and Y 153. I know that's a long code, and let's put it in. So go to where is it? I lost it. Okay, right here. Go to X, pick random. This one, -200 to 200, and Y 153. This is our code we need to have, and now let's see how the ball goes down. As you can see, it works very well, and our score changes by 1. But the only thing is that when it goes down, it just stays there. So now we're gonna start working on that. Our next sprite we're gonna work on is, of course, our ground sprite. The code we need to add to it is pretty simple. It's when the flag clicked, forever. If touching ball, then broadcast game over. We're gonna make a new message. Okay, perfect. Now we need a if touching ball block, which is in the sensing category. So yeah, now we are going to go to our last sprite and add the code to it, which is gonna be when flag clicked, then hide, because it can't be shown, it has to be hidden. Then when I receive game over, show and stop all. Okay, now let's go back through our codes and see if we missed something important and if we need to add something to it. Let's go right here. This is our most complicated one and it might be hard to see. So I feel like everything is alright with it and we can test our game. Okay, yes, the game is working pretty well. Now let's miss one of the balls to see how our game over thing works. The game is done and it's kind of fun to play. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video and it was helpful for you and you are gonna try to make this yourself. If you haven't watched my last videos with the lessons, I might leave the links in the description. See you in my next video. Bye!